Hello lovelies, welcome back to this channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how to make homemade ice cream and also using just one ingredient, and also I'll also show you how to make whipped cream, condensed milk using just that one ingredient. If this is what you are interested in, let's get started. So first thing, we are making our whipped cream using 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of powdered milk. I'll transfer this to my pot. I'll also go in with 1 cup of water. Then I will go in with 1/8 cup of butter. After adding my butter, I will on my heat and mix this together. I'll mix till once the butter is dissolved inside the milk in a very low heat. Then I will set this aside for blending. And I will allow this to cool before blending it. After that, let's make our condensed milk. I'll go in with 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. I'll mix this together. Then I'll turn on my heat. And I will go in with my baking soda. 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. And half teaspoon of butter. Then lastly, I'll go in with half cup of sugar. I forgot to video that part. But if you want a detailed video on how to make condensed milk, you can check my channel. The video is there. I'm going to place it in this video. After you watch this one, you can go and check it out. Then my condensed milk is ready. Now it's time for us to blend our whipped cream. I'll transfer my whipped cream after it has cooled down into my blender. I blend it. Guys, this is the major ingredient in this recipe. Your whipped cream is the whipped cream that gives your ice cream that soft and milky nature of your ice cream. So I will sieve out my whipped cream. So this is how to make whipped cream. No sugar, just your milk, water and the butter. I will also blend my condensed milk after it has cooled down, just to make everything come together. I will filter it inside my whipped cream. Now mix this together. Then I will go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. You can also go in with 1 tablespoon of vanilla oil. I'll mix it together. I'll be using this ice cream for both chocolate ice cream and normal vanilla ice cream. I'll separate this into 2 bowls. Then for my chocolate ice cream, I'll be using Milo powder for this. If you have chocolate powder, you can use, but this one I go in with Milo powder. I'll transfer it to 2 different bowls. The first one is for my vanilla ice cream, then the second one is for my chocolate ice cream. You can get chocolate ice cream by using your Milo. If you don't want to use Milo, then you can use the normal chocolate powder. I just wanted to go an extra mile, so I used my Milo powder. That was what was available for me to use, and it comes out well. So I'll be going in with 20 grams of Milo powder inside the smaller bowl, and I will mix this together to get my chocolate ice cream. So like I said earlier, if you want a detailed video on how to make your condensed milk, I will drop the video. You will see it somewhere by the right or by the left. But for the whipped cream, all you need is just the powdered milk, water and 1/8 cups of butter. So if you notice in this recipe, everything we are using is just milk. We use milk to form our whipped cream. We also use milk to form our condensed milk, so you don't need to buy them separately. So I will set this aside. I will refrigerate this for 16 hours. Then after 16 hours, there we have it. Our ice cream is ready to be served. So let me scoop it out to see, so that you see what I'm talking about. This ice cream tastes really good and you will love it. I would like to know if you try this recipe. If you have watched to this point, please, I will really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to this channel and drop a comment. And you can also share this video, because this recipe is a very nice recipe and it's something that you like to try, and it's a no-fail recipe. It's not something that you watch and when you do your own it will be different. If you follow the step through, your ice cream will come out very nice. Are you seeing how thick this ice cream is? This ice cream tastes really good, and this is what you can actually do for treats. You can give your children as treats. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Do let me know in the comments if you will try it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. So guys, I will also, before I forget, I'm going to add sprinkles on this ice cream, so it will be finer and also to be tasting much better. I'll just sprinkle some sprinkles on top like this, and it's not looking like those ice cream that they sell in the mall. Are you seeing it? So if you want to go extra mile, you can just sprinkle. If you have sprinkle, you put them on top, and here you have it. My ice cream is ready. So thanks for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.